Hi friends, now I am going to discuss about how to prepare sociology in 3 to 4 months. Whether it is possible to have a holistic preparation on sociology within 3 to 4 months or not. I would say that yes, it is possible. I would state that a strategic preparation is required to get a command over the subject within 3 to 4 months. Then what is the strategic preparation? The first one is attending the classes regularly and paying their attention on understanding the content of the subject and taking the important points in the class, and if at all they have any doubts, clarifying their doubts with the concerned subject expert immediately. Then reading the standard textbooks. There are certain standard textbooks to understand sociology, like Sociology by Anthony Giddens, Sociology Themes and Perspectives by Harlambus and Holborn, then Society in India by Ramahuja, Social Movements in India by Ghanshyam Shah, Indian Economy by Mishra and Puri. So like that, there are certain standard books which you need to prepare or which you need to read regularly. Then when you read a book on a particular topic, my suggestion is that you please note down the important points which you can elaborate it later on. So there is a need of a step by step preparation to get a command over the subject. Then once you complete your classes and reading the books or the material given by the subject expert in the institute, try to write the answers by taking the test papers from the subject expert. Generally, many institutes conduct the weekly tests, monthly tests, and at the end a grand test. So appear for those tests, write the answers within a stipulated period of time, then take the feedback from the subject expert on the answers which you have written. So this kind of preparation will help you not only to get command over the subject, but at the same time you can also score very good marks in sociology. Then you plan 4 months meticulously. As I said, you allocate at least 3 hours a day for optional. As far as my experience is concerned, at least 6 hours to 8 hours of preparation is required for UPSC Civil Services main examination. 6 to 8 hours per day. So, of which at least you have to allocate 3 hours for the preparation for optional subject. And yes, it is possible to complete your syllabus within 4 months. And you plan very systematically and read chapter by chapter and write the notes, write your own analysis on different topics and collect the information from different sources. Of course, most of the information will be provided by the subject expert in the institution, but still if you feel that some other information is required, you can collect that information from different sources and you can add to that. Always current information is very much useful and it is a value addition to present an effective answer for the questions. So therefore, my suggestion is, if you take coaching, attend the classes regularly, listen to the lectures carefully, clarify your doubts within the class on daily basis, then take the important points or write down the important points in the class, that is called classroom notes. Then collect the handouts given by the subject expert in the institute and read those handouts carefully and collect some important books related to sociology, as I said earlier, and read those books, note down the important points, then appear for the weekly tests or monthly tests, take the feedback from the subject expert on the answers written by you, then try to write the answers effectively by incorporating the important points related to a particular topic. And as I said earlier, you need to incorporate the points which you have drawn from the books or which you have drawn from the newspapers or which you have drawn from listening to the different discussions and debates in news channels on current topics. So like that, you need to have a systematic preparation for civil services main examination. So I am sure that within 4 months, you can complete your preparation on sociology and you can be ready to appear for the civil services mains examination with sociology as an optional.